Presenting the Samsung 28-liter convection microwave oven in black color that is suitable for large families. This Samsung microwave oven can be used for baking, grilling, roasting, reheating, defrosting, cooking and much more. This microwave oven is suited for Indian households as it lets you prepare curd at home easily. SlimFry technology helps you enjoy healthier fried foods without deep frying. The ceramic enamel cavity ensures uniform heating for better and even cooking, also making it hygienic and durable. It comes with a touch keypad that lets you control your microwave with just a simple touch. The microwave also comes with a keep warm feature that keeps your food at the right temperature required. This microwave has a child lock to ensure safety. This Samsung microwave comes with Indian recipe menu that makes cooking easy and convenient even for people who are not familiar with microwave cooking. This microwave oven comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.